Lighting the Way, Understanding an English Idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, lighting the way. This idiom might sound simple, but it carries a deep and inspiring meaning. Whether you're an English learner or just love exploring the language, this video will enlighten you on how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. So, let's illuminate the meaning of lighting the way together. First, let's break down the literal meaning of the phrase. Lighting refers to the action of providing light, while the way represents a path or direction. Imagine someone holding a lantern in a dark forest, guiding others along a path. This is the visual representation of lighting the way. Now, let's explore the figurative meaning of lighting the way. In a metaphorical sense, this phrase means to guide, inspire, or show direction, especially in difficult or unclear situations. It's often used to describe someone who provides guidance or inspiration to others. For example, a teacher who inspires students to achieve their dreams can be said to be lighting the way for them. Understanding how to use lighting the way in sentences is crucial. Here are a few examples. Her innovative research is lighting the way for new scientific discoveries. The organization's efforts in the community are lighting the way for positive change. His courage in adversity is lighting the way for others to follow. Notice how the phrase is used to highlight the guiding or inspirational role of a person, idea, or action. Lighting the way also holds cultural significance in many English-speaking societies. It's a phrase that embodies the values of leadership, hope, and guidance. This idiom is often used in motivational speeches, literature, and everyday conversation to convey a sense of optimism and forward thinking. In conclusion, lighting the way is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of guidance and inspiration. Whether used literally or metaphorically, it beautifully captures the essence of leading and enlightening others. We hope this video has shed light on this idiom's meaning and usage. Keep exploring the wonders of the English language, and let it light the way in your learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.